Like in the last 6-7 months, you know this. I mean, we're experiencing a big shift. Our MLS here in Metro Phoenix area is down by as much as 30%. 30%. I think nationwide, we probably, in terms of the number of closings, we're probably going to be short by at least 1.2, 1.3 million closings. And that's second to a Great Recession, 2008, 2009. So the numbers don't look good. We need to make sure that our agents are doubling down and tripling down when it comes to the lead gen, right? If you were used to do 1 open house a week, now you got to do 2-3 open houses a week, just so you can do the same amount of business. But you need to have, or you got to be a part of that environment that really does that for a living. You know, I'm a broker owner, I'm a CEO of the company. I don't handle the compliance. I have a designated broker for that. But what I handle is those conversations with my agents, right? Mentoring them, training them, setting expectations, managers' expectations, holding them accountable, providing them the tools, the resources that they can utilize right now in 2022, in October of 2022. Not what it was a year or 2 or 3 years ago.